Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install fonts. Now, I've had many people ask me how to do this, and I'm going to be showing you on the Mac. And it's not exactly as hard as you think, so I'm going to show you in a screencast on my Mac on how to do it. And so I guess we'll just, get down to it. Okay, so to install fonts, I usually look for my fonts from fontsquirrel.com, which is actually 100% free commercial used fonts, and it is my go-to website for any fonts that I would like to download for my designs. And right now I'm just going to go look through the hottest fonts today, and I'm looking for like a good brush font that I would like to use in, let's see, for this tutorial I will show you the Alex Brush font. And for the fonts that I want to use, I try to have them all like this instead of these ones right here, because for this font it says that it's only available to use for a desktop, and I would like it to be used for pretty much anything that I want it to be used free commercially. And so I'm just going to download this font right here, Alex Brush, download OTF. And I will go to my downloads folder, which I will go to my Finder, go to my downloads, and it will show up right here. Now if yours is not showing up like mine, and if it's not like the first one, you can click date modified, or you can go here and just click date added, and it will show up as today, the first one right here. And now we just want to double click that. That way it can get unzipped. And then double click this. And then here's the font file right here, .ttf. And I'm just going to double click that or right click it. And then if you're on a PC, and if you go to open with font book, and then just click install font. And then it will continue installing font, and now it is complete. So now you can just click the X, and then remember Alex Brush regular, so that way when you go to Illustrator you can create a new document and just wait. Okay, I'm just going to click OK. So I'm just going to show you the wait. Okay, so now just look for Alex Brush, and I'm just going to type. So Alex Brush is installed and you can use it. Just type something, change the size, and there you go. Now you have the font installed and you can use it for anything, Microsoft, whatever, it's on the computer. So that's how you install a font, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will be seeing you in my next video. So subscribe and like below, and yeah, thanks for watching.